Hazet is one of those names every technician and mechanic often considers when they need to buy a new tool. And for 2026, the brand has a bunch of cool, feature-packed tools that not only stand out, but also make the work more enjoyable. So let's see what they've got for you. This cordless impact drill stands out as a true all-rounder when it comes to drilling, driving, and impact applications. It delivers up to 158 Newton-meters of torque on hard settings, which gives it enough strength to handle wood, steel, and masonry without hesitation. What makes it feel more refined is the control system. You get 23 torque levels along with a turbo mode that boosts speed whenever needed, allowing you to adjust performance based on the task instead of being locked into one behavior. The anti-kickback feature is another important addition, shutting the tool down instantly if the bit jams, helping protect your wrist in tight or awkward positions. Since it runs on a brushless motor, efficiency is improved while overall lifespan is extended, making it a reliable, heavy-duty option for daily professional use. This impact socket set is more than just a basic collection. It works as a complete system. It includes 41 pieces with sizes ranging from 17mm to 36mm, along with XZN, Torx, and hex profiles, making it suitable for everything from automotive work to heavier industrial applications. One of the strongest points is the foam insert layout. Every socket has a designated position, so you can immediately see what is missing at a glance. This becomes especially useful in fast-paced environments or shared workshops. It also integrates directly into Hazet Trolley systems, making storage and organization seamless without any modifications. This is the type of set that quietly becomes the backbone of a well-organized workshop. This UV LED torch is designed primarily for leak detection, making hidden issues visible instantly when used with UV dye. It delivers up to 800 lumens of brightness with a beam range of around 150 meters, making it useful for both close inspection and general lighting tasks. A major advantage is the 90-degree adjustable head, which allows you to aim the beam precisely without awkward hand positioning. It also comes with a built-in magnet and clip, so you can mount it easily and work hands-free when needed. It's a simple tool, but extremely effective in diagnostics. This hose lubricator is built to automatically feed oil into pneumatic tools during operation, ensuring internal components stay properly lubricated without manual intervention. It holds 28 milliliters of oil and supports airflow up to 261 liters per minute, making it suitable even for high-demand air tools like impact wrenches. The flexible connection design prevents stress from sudden tool movement, reducing the chance of damage. Combined with a quick coupling system, it also allows fast tool changes without interruptions. While it may not look exciting, it plays a crucial role in extending the life and consistency of air tools. This cordless heat gun reaches temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius in just about 15 seconds, allowing you to start working almost immediately without waiting for warm-up time. It offers 2 temperature levels and 2 airflow settings, giving you better control over different materials and applications. Because it runs on battery power, it offers complete mobility, making it useful for larger job sites or outdoor work. It also includes multiple nozzles, allowing you to adjust airflow and heat direction depending on the task, whether it's shrinking tubing, removing adhesives, or shaping materials. This digital clamp meter combines 3 essential functions into a single compact device: current measurement, full multimeter capabilities, and a non-contact voltage tester. It measures AC and DC current up to 100 amps without requiring wire disconnection, improving both speed and safety. It also supports voltage up to 600 volts resistance, and capacitance measurements, reducing the need to switch between multiple tools. At just 175 millimeters in size, it is compact enough to fit into tight engine bays or fuse compartments, making diagnostics faster and more efficient. These pliers are designed specifically for resetting brake pistons, especially in hydraulic disc brake systems used on bicycles. Instead of pushing pistons unevenly, the tool applies balanced pressure on both sides, ensuring smooth and controlled movement. The working range is between 4 and 15 millimeters, and it supports systems with openings larger than 20 millimeters. This even force distribution helps protect sensitive components like ceramic pistons while maintaining proper alignment throughout the process. The feedback during use also helps prevent overpressing, making the task safer and more controlled. This compact 4-piece socket set is designed for situations where access is limited. The built-in joint allows up to 25 degrees of movement, making it easier to reach fasteners in tight or angled spaces without losing torque transfer. It includes sizes like 17 millimeters, 19 millimeters, and 21 millimeters, commonly used in wheel and suspension work. The traction profile helps distribute force more evenly across fasteners, reducing wear on both the socket and bolt. It's a small set, but extremely practical for daily workshop use. This extendable 3/4-inch ratchet is built for serious force application while still maintaining full ratcheting control. It extends from 730 millimeters up to 1,130 millimeters, giving you leverage similar to a breaker bar when needed. It delivers up to 1,800 Newton meters of torque, making it suitable for seized bolts, heavy machinery, truck components, and industrial-grade fasteners. The continuous extension system allows you to adjust length precisely instead of working in fixed positions. Combined with its stable grip design, it remains controlled even under high torque loads. This tool trolley is a complete workshop system rather than just storage. It comes preloaded with 515 tools arranged across 8 fully extendable drawers, all organized using foam inserts for quick identification and access. The construction is equally robust, featuring a double-walled body, welded frame, and stainless steel top designed to handle heavy workshop use. The locking system ensures drawers remain secure during movement, making it a reliable mobile workstation for professionals. This brake bleeder adapter set is designed to simplify and clean up brake maintenance work, especially on modern vehicle systems. It improves pressure control and sealing during brake bleeding, reducing mess and making the process more efficient overall. It is especially useful in professional environments where speed, cleanliness, and accuracy matter during brake servicing tasks. This compact 13-in-1 multi-tool combines essential functions like pliers, cutters, scissors, screwdrivers, a knife, and a small saw into a single portable unit. It is designed for quick access during on-the-go tasks where carrying a full toolbox is not practical. Rather than replacing full-size tools, it serves as a convenient backup for small jobs. The ergonomic handle also improves comfort during extended use, making it more practical than typical compact multi-tools. This 24-piece set is centered around a compact cordless screwdriver powered by a 3.6-volt battery. It delivers up to 5 Newton meters of torque across 3 adjustable levels, making it suitable for light repair and household or workshop tasks. It includes a wide range of bits such as Torx, Phillips, and hex, giving you everything needed for everyday applications. USB-C charging adds convenience, making it easy to power up anywhere without specialized chargers. This right-angle grinder is designed for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks with a strong focus on control and safety. Its soft start system ensures a gradual speed buildup instead of sudden power delivery, giving better control at startup. It also includes anti-kickback protection, which stops the tool immediately if it binds. The adjustable guard can be changed without tools, making setup faster and more convenient for different jobs. This set is built for a very specific but demanding job, removing clamping bolts on VW and Audi multi-link axles. These bolts are often extremely tight and difficult to handle due to long-term corrosion and stress. Instead of forcing removal, this set connects directly with an impact extractor system, ensuring force is applied precisely without damaging surrounding components. It supports multiple Audi and Volkswagen platforms, making it a specialized set but essential for European vehicle specialists. Its biggest advantage is control. You are not improvising, you are using a purpose-built system designed for a known problem. This dry vacuum cleaner is built for efficient workshop cleanup, powered by a 1200-watt motor that delivers strong suction for dust, debris, and fine particles. It is designed for portability as well, featuring a compact body with a shoulder strap for easy movement. It includes manual filter cleaning to maintain performance without frequent interruptions. With a 6-liter container, long cable, and extendable hose, it provides enough working range to clean large areas without constant repositioning. Across all these tools, Hazet focuses heavily on workflow improvement rather than just raw specifications. So what's your thoughts on them? Aren't they good enough for any technician or mechanic? Let us know in the comments. And if you like any of their tools, please leave a like for Hazet. Thank you.